Alright, students, so you've made it to day 4. So we're almost there. I'm almost back. So basically, I had you do perimeter and area because it is also an easy thing to do during my absence. And here are some instructions on the IXL for perimeter and area. I've got this diameter here, and they want me to find the circumference given this diameter, and they want an exact answer, which means that I need to put it in terms of pi. That's why they have the pi symbol here. I don't need to worry about putting it into a calculator. I can just use one of my circumference formulas to figure out how many pi's it is. So if I have a diameter of 6 centimeters, that means that if I want to use my diameter formula for circumference, which is it's usually pretty easy to use. It's just pi d. It's just pi times my diameter. If I want to use radius, I'll divide that in half, then put the radius into 2 pi r, which is kind of redundant, but if you're more comfortable doing it that way, don't let anyone stop you. So d equals 6 centimeters, so put 6 into your formula, 6 pi, and that's your answer basically. So it's just going to be 6, and you click on the little pi button, and you're done. You got it. All right, diameter of a circle is 12 kilometers. What is the area? So I have to use pi r squared. I can't use diameter. There's no easy way to relate the diameter to r squared. So I need to cut the diameter in half to get my area. So just divided by 2, of course, it's just going to be 6. So I have my radius of 6, pi r squared, so square that. And then since it's exact answer in simplest form, I am again putting in pi, so I'm going to put 36 pi. And it disappeared. Okay, there you go. 36 pi. Now, diameter of a circle is 10 miles. What is the circumference? You can just put d into pi d, and you'll get, if it's in simplest form, exact answer, 10 pi. All right, and diameter of a circle is 4 centimeters. What is the circumference? Well, pi d, so 4 pi. It's actually really easy when you know that the circumference is just pi d. Half of the battle is memorizing the formula. So the quicker you have it memorized, the easier these should be. Radius is 10 feet. What is the area? All right, pi r squared, that's 10 times 10, 100 pi, because it's pi r squared. So it's the easiest way for me to remember is how it sounds. Pi r squared is easy for me to remember on area. So 100 pi is the answer. And so I've got this one. Radius of a circle is 6 centimeters. They didn't even give me the circle anymore. What? How do I answer this? Oh, I just realized they're giving me the radius. They're asking for the area. I need pi r squared, 36 pi. Now, yep, they do have it. They do have it, so we're still good. Now, it is the radius, so pi r squared, 36 pi square centimeters. Good to go. One more. The radius of the circle is 8 centimeters. What is the circumference? So, I've got the radius, which is 8 centimeters. If you know your radius formula, 2 pi r, then you can do the radius formula, or you can convert this to diameter. The radius is half of the diameter, so the diameter is 16 centimeters. Then you can say, oh, it's going to be pi d, which is just going to be 16 pi. Either way, you're basically doing the same thing, but it really depends on which formula you're more comfortable with. Memorize the one that you're more comfortable with, all right? And in either way, the answer is 16 pi, and you're done. All right, so really try to get to a high score on this one. Try to get to about 80, and I'll leave you at it, and good luck.